Good morning. Welcome to week 3 of online learning. We have a short week this week. So if you go ahead and open the folder for the week of April 15th, you're going to see your assignments in the folder. So you're going to be learning about interest groups this week. So you have 2 crash courses to watch. And then you have 2 reading assignments using the online textbook. You have a quick 5-question quiz and an interest group review activity. So I did want to show you or remind you again about using the online textbook. So the directions are here on the first page. So you're going to log on to tinyurl.com/WPS government, and then you are going to put in your Worcester K-12 login information and password, and then that should bring up the government textbook. So it is lesson 10, chapter 7, so 10.7 is called Understanding Interest Groups. If you get on there and you cannot access it or you're having trouble finding it, let me know. And that's pretty much it. Next week, we're going to focus more on service learning. Later in the week, here in this green folder, we're going to put information in about service learning and how you're going to be completing your service learning requirement at home. As well as your second set of articles. Those will be next week as well. So if you have any questions while you're working this week, don't forget office hours are daily from 9 to 11. You can also send me emails and text me on Remind, and I will get back to you ASAP. All right, so once again, thank you for getting online, getting your work done, doing what you need to do, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.